Your radiant headlight mounts easily to your Carl Zeiss optics. The following items are needed to mount your headlight to Carl Zeiss loupes: small flathead screwdriver and 2 custom shoulder screws inside your radiant headlight box. Step 1. Install the 2 shoulder screws to the front of your Zeiss loupes. Screw them in with your hand, then tighten with your flathead screwdriver. Step 2. Slide the headlight mount across the 2 shoulder screws from right to left. The headlight cable is on top of the mount. Step 3. Loosen the multi-hinge on the loupes. Step 4. Rotate the headlight until it is centered above the loupes.